Greetings and peace. What's up to y'all? This is Queen Sarita here with naturallyhighlife.com, the place where I help you to remember who you are as a divine being, as I'm remembering who I am as a divine being, and on that journey, learning how to maximize your time, your effort in this world, and live your most happiest life. That's what Naturally High Life is all about. And so without further ado, I'm coming to you today to talk to you about the tarot cards again, because we are not finished going through the entire 78 cards of the tarot, but we started off with the Fool's Journey and we're going on from there to the Cup cards. Greetings and peace. How are you? This is Queen Sarita coming at you with another video. This video is going to be about a beginner's lesson for tarot for the Four of Cups card. This time we're getting into the intuitive and the traditional meanings of this card, and when our dear Fool gets to this part of the journey, what does it actually mean? What is he experiencing? What is she experiencing on the journey? What is some of the things, the lessons that come with receiving this card in a reading? Some of the things are refusing the good that's come to you, blocking or not claiming blessings that are just for you, may have some subconscious blocks of not feeling good enough, maybe carrying guilt or shame around, or maybe in a space where you might feel lack instead of goodness happening. There's a need to trust life here. And not feeling supported by the divine creator or the universe can come with this card as well. Lost in a dream, not looking at the life around you. Constant opportunity knocks, but someone isn't grounded enough to make a choice or decision on anything. Bored with everyday life, looking for perfection. Rejecting a gift, boredom, seeking a spiritual leveled solution. In a mode of non-action, reversed, seeking out new instruction, seeking to find new opportunities in relationships, novelty, a omen, blended pleasure. Those are some of the things that this card can mean. As we look over these cards, I've got 4 different styles of cards that are laid out from different decks. So we've got this one with the Rider White type of drawings on them. Then we've got this one. Okay, this one's from the Morgan Greer Tarot deck. This one is from the Gilded Tarot. This one's from the Tarot New Vision. Sometimes you have it say cups or chalices, or it may be something else that it's called. Then you've got the Four of Cups here. This is from the Radiant Rider White Tarot deck. So yeah, that is our lesson on tarot for now. There's other ways you can read these cards, like, a gift coming from afar. Unwilling to move forward in love, because you're still stuck or want to be with someone from the past. Could also be a spirit guide trying to get your attention, or the universe trying to get your attention. Something you may not recognize trying to get your attention to help you get moving. Your vitality may be strong right now, but you're not really taking any action. You're strong and ready to go, but there's a bit of resting that needs to happen, or a feeling like you may be lazy. You may want to take a break because of all the hard work you've gotten done to get you up to this point. Unable to see your blessings right in front of your eyes is another one. All right, we'll be back with another one in just a few minutes.